Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, and I want to show you something that's really easy to do to unclog your drain if you notice that it's draining slowly. We're going to take our impact here, 1/4 inch, and these little cleaners pop right in the front. I'll put a link in the description where you can get these. And so what you want to do is unscrew the top of your drain and then just put this down in here and very slowly run this impact. You don't have to go fast with it, just get it down in there. Be very gentle. You don't want to break anything that's down in there. But as you can see, this is picking up all kinds of hair, and those bristles do not let it go. So just gently pull this out, and you can see how much came out. This is why my drain was draining very slowly. And, wear gloves, wear eye protection, don't breathe it. But you can see how well this works now. This is so much faster and so much cleaner and safer than using the acid that you pour down. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Check the video description where I have a playlist on tools and dad jobs, car repair, all kinds of stuff. If you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.